Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Santa Grinch. So let's get started. To draw this very cute Santa, let's first start by drawing the Grinch's eyes. So we're going to come right here and I'm going to start with a curve going up. There. And then from there I'm going to come into this area right here and draw a curve underneath to connect all the way back to where we started. And then same thing right here, going right next to it, and we're going to draw the same thing. So go up with a curve and once again connect bottom and up. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to spruce it up. So we're going to come right here and we're going to draw these, continue this and curve it out for these lashes. And then come, let's see here, we'll make this one the longest, and then we're going to come right here. Let me just draw 3 more. And same thing here. We're just going to continue that curve and draw 3 more lashes just to spruce it up. And then we're going to come back on the top and thicken it all up. There. And then let's come back about right in this area, closer to the inside. We're going to draw kind of this circular oval shape right here as well. And we're going to color that red. There. Then from there, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a little oval for the nose, right in between. Just to simplify it. There. Then we're going to come down. So I'm just going to give myself, let's see here, a little line and go down nice and low and say about right there. I'll just give myself a point right here. It's where I'm going to start the mouth. And I'm going to come back up into this area close to the eye. This is easier for my hand. And I'll come right about here and just draw these 2 curves. So I'm just kind of imagining this right here. In this curve, I'm going to come down with one curve and another curve to come back to my point. So same thing over here. Just draw a little curve and then another one. And then once again, curve and curve to create the mouth. There. So if it's easier for you to go this way up, definitely do that as well. So just play around with it. It might be easier for you to go up this way instead. There, but I just like to have it starting here so I know where my cheeks are to make sure. Then from there, let's come back into this eye area. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right here for some detail around the eye. And then right in between, just draw a little line. And let's see here. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the head shape. So I'm going to come back to the top of my eye, say about right here. I'm going to come out close to these lashes, give myself a point, and same thing here. Give myself a point, and then from there I'm going to draw a curve going up. And same thing here, but I'm not going to draw this one as high. I'm just going to give myself a little point because I know I have a Santa hat that's tilted downwards. So let's come back over here and we're going to draw the cheek area right here. We're going to poof this out. And if you like, you can zigzag a little bit as you come down. So same thing here, zigzag and come down. Then in this area, I'm going to come straight down, give myself a chin. So say about right here, not too much, but right there, I'll give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring this curve. So I'm going to curve it in a little bit. And as I come down here, I'm going to flatten it out for a chin. So same thing here, curve. Come in, then out, and then draw your chin. Oops, a little bit too much on this side. There. Okay, so come in, and then curve in and up. Then from there, let's see here. From there, let's go ahead and draw the top. So I'm going to continue this curve up a little bit more. And then I'm going to draw the Santa's hat. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw a curve coming back to here. So using a bunch of curves just to give the hat some texture, the white poofy part. So I'm just going to draw a curve all the way down. Then let's come back up here and just going to wobble and just imagine we're still continuing the shape of our Santa's hat. And so just going to bring it in to about right there. And then let's continue this up. Imagine this part's going up. So about right here, we're going to continue the hat. So let's go up, nice and high. To say about right here, it's kind of at a tilt. And then let's come down. And then in this area, this side is going to come up, about right here. And then let's give it some creases right here so we can draw the tail. We're going to bring this down and bring this down. Let's just give it a little bit of a wobble to a point right here, and then we're going to draw the end. So just give it a little point right there. There. Okay, so hopefully I helped you draw Grinch's head. And then now let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's come back to the center, and about right here, we're just going to draw 2 angle lines for the neck, and then I'm going to connect it with 2 curves. Then let's draw the white poofy part around the neck for the Santa suit. So I'll stay about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a bunch of curves coming down towards the center, and the same thing here, just to make it nice and poofy and in. And then we can go ahead and start the body. So I'm going to skip a little bit of space and say about right here. Skip a little bit of space and about right here, nice and centered. I'm just going to draw a slight curve coming out because Grinch has a big tummy, right? So we're just going to draw a curve coming out. Then from there, we're going to have his hands folded, bent on his hips. So let's come back to about right here and here. I'm going to start and here. So let's work on the hands. So we're going to come right here. We want the hands in this area. Just imagine this curve is still continuing. And then we're going to come down. So let's give it a little bit curve. Bony elbows. Bring it in. And so we want the hands about right inside. So let's go ahead and then cut it off. Give it some little poof right here, and then the hands come in. So the reason I'm drawing this first is because I want the hands kind of like on the hip tummy area so that it kind of squishes his tummy. So then we're going to come right here with an angle, soften this part out, big long fingers, and then we're going to come down and just curve a finger in. Just draw another finger there. And then we can continue this. And then so same thing over here. So let's go ahead, just like the other side, about right here. Just curve it in. So I want the hands, same thing about right here. So let's go ahead, and then we're going to come down. And once again, draw that little poof for the sleeves, and then the hand. So curve in and round it off. And just want to make sure my fingers are about the same area. There. And then whatever space you have left, just continue it. So just draw a little curve right here so it makes it look like he's squeezing pushing his hands into his tummy. Then from there, let's come back into this area right here. We need to draw the bottom part of the jacket that he's wearing for Santa. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves going at a curve all the way across. There. And then we're going to poof it out. Same thing here. And then just continue it. Once again, same thing. Bunch of curves going all the way across. There, so nice and poofy, right? And then let's go ahead and draw the tummy, the bottom part. So just kind of imagine his big belly area. So we're just gonna simplify by coming in. Let's say about right here. We're gonna come in with this curve on both sides. And we're going to skip a little, let's actually skip a little bit of space, and then in the center, continue our curve, right? And then find your center, draw a center line coming down. So we're going to start his legs, but I guess we need to go in a little bit more because we have these very thin legs. So then from there, let's go ahead about right here. We're going to angle down on both sides. Then from there, let's come to about right here. We'll work on this side, just poof. And same thing here, poof for the feet, and then 2 curves right there. And we're going to start the shoe. So I'm just going to wobble and then give it a little bit point and connect. So same thing here. There for the feet. Ta-da! So hopefully that's a very cute Grinch that I've helped you draw today. And last but not least, I'll add a little heart right here. Oops. To make this my Santa Grinch from How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I really hope you love how it turned out and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.